So since today is Tuesday, I'm going to be playing a game. I'm not sure which one I'm going to play yet, but I will play one of the games I do like. I'm probably going to play Warrior Cats Ultimate Edition, because that's like my favorite game at the moment. So yeah. We're just going to be exploring the world and hearing me talk about stuff. So yeah. My phone is on 10%, so this is not going to last too long. Probably get to in 10 minutes, just like the others. Just like the other ones today. Okay then. That's weird to say. That's what my mom said. This is taking a long time to load. Oh yes, this is my newest one. Let's go to my saves. We have Black Paw. These are some ones I don't know what to call them. This is my most recent one. So I'm thinking I'm going to play as this one today. This is who I am playing as today. So yeah, let's go into the world. So yeah, oh, that's Shadow Clan. We have Wind Clan, Slugs and Runners, Kitty Pets, Thunder Clan, River Clan. As I said, it doesn't really matter which one we join, but I'm going to go ahead and join. Oh my goodness, no, my phone's frozen. Okay, there we go. It's not frozen anymore. Oh, why isn't it working? There you go. This is what we're doing. Worst internet on earth. Worst internet on earth. I'm going to scoot closer to the house and see if that helps. And if not, then worst internet on earth. Okay, does that help? Okay, there we go. I'm going inside. I'm going inside. Okay. I have better internet now, so we can finally go back. Here's what she looks like in the game. Don't have a name for him. Don't have a name for her, but she's one of my favorites. I recently made her, so there you go. She does have a white spot on her tail, but I'm not too worried about that. So yeah. We're going to, we're just exploring. Just exploring for a little bit. This is Wind Clan's territory. So see, drift down here. This is Wind Clan's camp. So I'm going to be showing you guys the camps. I will be going to hunt, but since we'll go to their area. This is the kitty pet camp. I will show you guys around the Rogues and Loners territory in just a minute. But we shall go from there. But yeah, this is it. It's just a house, and we can explore in the house. So yeah. And then there's some logs. And we're just coming through here. Yes, it is hard to get into here for me because I'm dumb. But then we got inside. I haven't explored inside yet, so this is new for me. I haven't really been inside here because I never really play as them. So yeah. And this is the bedroom. That's it. Don't know if I can open these doors. I could try. No. Let's go to their area. See, their area is a barn right by Wind Clan. Since I then showed you guys Wind Clan, I shall skip to the next one. So yeah. They have a lot of stuff that you can jump around on and play on. So yeah. You could get up to the loft that way, or you could do this, which is how I usually get up. So yeah. And now let's go to Shadow Clan, which yes, there are people playing as Shadow Clan. Lots of them, but I do not mind. So this is Shadow Clan. I don't really mind. I just won't respond to anybody, but yeah. Here is Shadow Clan's camp. I'm not going to be going up. See, this is the Leader's Rock, and over here. So yeah, this is just the Shadow Clan's camp. And now let's go to the next camp. I'm not going to be exploring here too much, because this is Shadow Clan's camp, and there are people here, along with people in River Clan, but there's not as many. So yeah, you can actually fish here. But yeah. Oh man, I'm frozen. Oh, come on. Come on, work. Thank you. There we go. Now let's go on to the next camp. The final camp, Thunder Clan. Here's how you get out. This is Thunder Clan, which there are people here. There are a lot of people playing today. See? These are all the people playing today. And now, that's it. We're good, and we can just explore the other maps. We have explored, and now time to explore that. And now time to just run around and explore, and maybe even catch a fish or two. I've tried hunting in this game multiple times. I can only ever fish, so we're going to go fishing. Perfect. So I'm playing on mobile. Things will be different for console players or PC. But if you're, for say, playing on a iPad or phone, which I'm playing on phone, it will be the same for you. And see, if you just jump up here, you see that little fish icon, you're gonna go down there. There you go. And you click fish, and then you just wait. I'm good at it, but I'm not the best at it. I might not get it the first try. So yeah. There we go. See? That's how you get a fish. It's just timing. So yeah. Next time I will do some other ones. Next time I will do a different game. This one's just my favorite and then, so I thought it would only be fair to start with it. we have here, which I haven't explored the entire map, so forgive me if I do not show you guys every bit of it. Don't really care that this is Shadow Clan's camp. I don't really care about that. Just wandering around the clans and camps. There you go. Go through here. I can't read that, but yeah. We're back in Shadow Clan's camp, so we're going to be leaving. Okay, so that's a invisible wall. But yeah, this has became to. So this has became 11 minutes. So therefore, I just want to say I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you later. Bye.